Hi. My name is Rushan from 3 BMMH.
Hi. I am Irfan bin Muhammad SHUKRI. I'm from 3 BMMH.
Hi. My name is AIMAN bin RAZAK and I'm from 3 BMMH.
Hello. My name is NAZRIN bin BAHARUDDIN and I'm from 3 BMMH.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to look at impact of vibration and acoustics of Hvac on human body and human safety. Well, this thing is seen as a very light thing, but vibration and acoustic will cause a lot of problems further in life or even instant problems. Furthermore into the video, my colleagues will explain all the effects, impacts and safety measures that need to be taken when you are handling vibration and acoustics on site. Let's go.
Hi. Today I'm going to talk about the acoustic and vibration. First of all, acoustic is a science study that deals with the production, transmission and also reception of sound, while vibration is a wave motion that occurs within solid medium. So since we are in HVAC industry, we deal with so many equipment such as ASU, compressor and also pumps. So vibration comes from this equipment and acoustic also come from the sound of this equipment. So furthermore, we're going to see what impacts that the vibration and acoustic can give to us in this industry.
Hi. So we talk about which part that commonly happen, vibration and acoustic. So we go through in HVAC industry. So most sound and noise is generated via equipment in operation, air and fluid movement in duct or pipe. So HVAC equipment that is rigidly attached to slab, wall and ceiling can transmit vibration into the structure and cause highly undesirable of the level structure borne noise. This noise can travel far and even can spread throughout the building. Okay. This video reaction show that where does vibration and acoustic occur in HVAC. So this video show how strong vibration are generated through the pump motor that suck water and take it to the cooling tower. Moreover, a dynamic vibration absorber is placed under the pump motor to reduce vibration from creating crack in the floor under the pump motor. Next, we can see where acoustics are produced in HVAC. It is produced through the condenser in the chiller. So, occupant comfort is the goal of all HVAC engineer. Sound is the key parameter to measuring comfort. In addition, temperature, humidity, and indoor air quality. Why? Acoustic consultants are usually involved in critical application. The task of creating a comfortable acoustic environment in the most application fall on the HVAC engineer. This is because most background sound generated by the HVAC equipment. That's all from me, thank you.
So, what are the risks associated with exposure to excessive vibration and acoustic levels? What impact can it have on our body? Well, there is a whole range of health conditions that related to vibration and acoustic, but most of it can easily be avoided.
First impact is hearing loss. This condition usually caused by exposure to dangerous noise level. This may be temporary or permanent depending on the noise level and length of exposure. Permanent hearing loss can occur when high noise exposure is repeated over many years or if someone is exposed to very intense or explosive sound. Constant and prolonged exposure to excessive noise levels can also cause tinnitus and hyperacusis. This is a very great danger for those working in environments that rely on loud machinery. There is an evidence that workers who are exposed to vibration and noise at the same time are more likely to suffer hearing loss. Furthermore, vibration also presents its own set of dangers. Specifically, hand-arm vibration syndrome or HAVS. And exposure to both vibration and noise is also understood to increase musculoskeletal problems. HAVS is a condition usually caused by excessive vibration levels from handheld power tools and machinery used in the workplace. Blood vessels, nerves, and joints are all impacted by HAVS, which over time can make it difficult for people to perform their regular daily activities. When HAVS is more severe, it can lead to permanent disability, and in the worst cases, it requires the amputation of affected areas. Other conditions caused by excessive vibration levels, such as Raynaud's syndromes. The condition Raynaud's syndrome, also known as vibration white finger, causes the finger's tip to turn white and in some cases can make them feel numb and loss of sensation. In extreme cases, this condition can end people's careers. Without full function of one's hands or fingers, it can become impossible to operate the tools necessary to safely and effectively carry out the work needed.
Hi, Vishan here once again. My previous colleagues were talking about vibration, acoustics, exposure, accessible exposure. Well, I'm here to talk about methods of prevention for vibration and acoustics. Every day in the industry, we face vibration and acoustic noise levels or also high levels of vibration. How do you prevent them? For instance, piping which has high temperature, it's covered by insulation. But do you know insulation is also used to control vibration? Because the vibration from this part does not exceed the danger levels, and then the sound produced is also dampened by using insulation. Other than that, have you seen a chisel before? Not the straight part. Come on, look down. You can see mini dampers at each of the points. These dampers actually dampen the excessive vibration and does not cause any damage to the structure where the chisel is placed on. Other than that, the noise levels are dampened by using acoustic barriers, or also known as, in simple layman's term, insulation layers, where the sound decibels or the sound pressure level is reduced by using acoustic material. Well, I hope with all this knowledge regarding vibration and also acoustics, we get what do you mean? We get the idea on how to reduce and how does it affect our body system. And we are sure of the prevention ways and able to think of about different engineering control ways to prevent vibration from affecting the human body and the human safety. Thank you. Okay, when we look at methods of prevention and also the exposure level of vibration and acoustics, we are able to figure it out. How does vibration affect us in our daily lifestyle? And not miniature vibration such as your cell phone vibration, excessive level of vibration and also excessive level of noise which affects us. Okay, from our video, we hope you have the awareness to perform engineering control and also take preventive measures to reduce the impact of vibration in our daily lives and also on the human safety. Thank you. Till we meet again. Thank you.